funny outfits are for everybody to have a laugh, but it's for a very serious purpose. You know, Franktown every year sends kids to summer camp. And this year we've got some big goals. We want to send a lot of kids to summer camp. And so here's the deal that we're laying out for all of our Franktown supporters out there, okay? If we raise $2,500, and that'll send about 10 kids to camp. If we raise $2,500, yours truly, Ryan Roth, Program Director of Franktown Open Hearts, is going to commit to run the Nashville Half Marathon for Franktown kids to go to camp this summer, okay? And here's the big part, okay? Because I don't like to run, but Dan especially doesn't like to run. And so if we raise $5,000, if we send 20 kids to summer camp this summer, then my running partner is going to be none other than Daniel Alexander, Executive Director of Franktown Open Hearts. Now, you can look at Dan and I and see that, man, we are built to be football players, and thank God we were able to do that for a time. We are not built to be long-distance runners, but, man, we are willing to pay that price to raise money to send kids to summer camp to Franktown. And here's the last part. Here's the sweetest part of the deal, is that if we raise $10,000 to send kids to summer camp this summer from Franktown, then you will see us running the marathon in those costumes that you just witnessed us in. I'll be running in my blue jumpsuit and Dan will be running in his afro. And so we just want everybody to come together in order to get us the opportunity to send these kids to camp, and then everybody can have a good laugh on our behalf.
I like it.